Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to show you how to animate a Lottie animation on scroll. And to do this today, you're going to need the Divi Supreme Pro plugin installed and activated. Lottie animations are animations that you can download and add to your site. If I scroll this page, you'll see one. And there it is. And if you notice, as I'm scrolling up, it's moving and animating. This is really easy to do, and I'll show you exactly how. First thing we want to do is go over to lottiefiles.com, and I'll put the link below this video, and choose the animation you want to use. I'm looking at popular animations at the moment. There's free ones and there's paid ones. This is a free one. Let's download this one perhaps right here. Just click on the file. You can set up the speed and stuff like this, but you can change that in the actual module itself with Divi Supreme. So I'm going to download the JSON file. I'm using Google Chrome, so as you can see, it's downloading it to my browser window here. Let's go back to our Divi site and enable our Visual Builder. Okay, let's go down to where we want to work. I'm going to add a new module. Dark little button to add a new module. Divi comes as standard with all the light grey modules there. When you install Divi Supreme, you get all these darker blue ones here. And we're looking for the Supreme Lottie module here. There it is, Supreme Lottie. Okay, it's going to ask us for the file that we just downloaded, so let's hit that upload button. And you may need to browse to yours, but mine's right here, so I'm simply going to drag it up here. There it is. Now, you can have it automatically playing just like that. And you can decide how many times you want it to play and the direction and the speed right here. But I'm going to trigger mine to just work on scroll, so it'll animate when we're scrolling up the page. And to do that, I need to go down to the trigger. We're on the Content tab and choose the trigger action. Play animation on click or play animation on scroll. And this is relative to the entire page. When we're scrolling the entire page, we want this to work. And that's pretty much all I want to do to this animation. You can add a link if you want it to link to somewhere right here. Obviously, if you're linking to your own site, keep it in the same window. If you're linking elsewhere to a different website, open it in a new tab so that your website stays open. You can change your background colors and do various design things right here. I'm going to leave mine exactly like that, so it just activates on scroll. Let's save our changes. Now let's save our page changes and exit the Visual Builder. And we'll go down, and as you can see, this is animating on scroll. Simple as that, and that's a nice little effect to have when people are scrolling down your site. That's going to get eyes on it. If you have a nice info section here or something, it's going to work very nicely. So there it is. There is how to activate Lottie animations on scroll with the Divi Supreme modules. I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.